they bark?
No. It's not that he's doing anything wrong. The dog's just doing it to be right so close. I don't think, personally.
Just in case.
Where'd you go, Grant? Where's Titus?
Look behind you.
Where's the puppy?
Grant. Who's that?
What's wrong?
Is that Titus? Be gentle. Let's put your... That way we can't...
Yeah. Takes a lick.
Yeah.
He's going to be a zoologist.
Maybe.
Oh.
Oh. There's a little pinhole there for him.
Yeah.
Here, buddy.
It's big enough for him. I know dancing. Might zip that whole great big open and be close.
Say here, puppy. Can you go woof, woof, woof? Woof, woof, woof? Woof, woof, woof.
Oh, look at her going.
Be gentle. Be gentle. Let go.
Yeah.
Is this the best baby toy ever?
We can switch him out.
Get him just right here, squeak.
Any chance of him being hurt.
Better watch out, Titus.
Leave ya?
They only got dying down. Oh, yeah. They really need to be cut out.
What's up with that?
Look who's coming.
Yeah. I haven't fed him in a long time.
Where'd he
but
go?
The blooms before this were really nice and blue. I really liked.
There you go.
Sick 'em, boy. Sick 'em.
Below the deck. Up in the coffee grounds in there for a while, and so part of them were blue and part were in between, almost a purple. I know, it's kind of weird.
Say here, puppy, puppy.
He's going to be scooting pretty fast pretty soon.
Oh, he gets really fast. When he's on carpet, because he can use the carpet to help drag himself along.
Traction.
Does your
Yeah.
house have a lot of carpet or?
The top floor is hardwood, and then in the downstairs basement's all carpet.
Hey, Grant. I just saw him. He was just over here.
Oh,
It was such a good save. Good job. Oh, my goodness.
oh, all better. All better.
Oh, how cute.
See, Titus wants Nana B.
Is that it? That's the whole part? Yeah, you can push that.
Go find the baby. Where's the baby?
Thanks. Go find the baby. Oh, funny those sounds. Those teeth. So scary. Actually.
Hey, Titus.
Titus sent a cake picture so we can send it to Ray.
Oh,
Oh, look at that puppy.
aw.
So Ray's home already, huh?
Yeah, he's home. And
Home early? Because I thought he wasn't going to get home till 5 o'clock or something.
Want your Nana to be the shoe.